Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this absolutely delicious cheesesteak egg rolls. If you guys would like to see it, keep on watching and let's get started. To begin, here are my ingredients. I have a quarter cup of green and red bell pepper mix. I have a quarter cup yellow onion chopped. For the seasoning, I'm using Mrs. Dash Steak seasoning. I also have some provolone cheese here. You can use mozzarella if you like. And I have the ribeye steak that I forgot to mention. It's thinly sliced with the egg roll wrappers. And of course, you'll need some vegetable oil or peanut oil to fry your egg roll. Shall we begin? All right, to start, I am going to thinly slice my steak. You can use roast beef for this recipe, but I decided to use ribeye steak because I want the actual steak flavor, kind of. Once I am done chopped everything up, here is the steak. Moving on, I am using 1 tablespoon of olive oil to cook my steak. Once my skillet is nice and hot, we're going to add in the steak. Now I decided to add my veggies at the same time. You can cook your veggies before you add the meat, but it is what it is, okay? So I decided to add the red bell pepper and the onion, cook them together. Once my steak is no longer pink, we're going to season the beef. Now for the seasoning, like I told you guys, I'm using the Mrs. Dash seasoning. It has everything in there. You actually have to read the label to see what ingredients it's actually in there. But I went ahead and add some more ingredients because I need a little bit more okay? Here is the seasoning. I'm adding about a tablespoon of creole seasoning, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. More flavor, okay? Give that a little stir. I went ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of water just to caramelize the seasoning a bit more. And once you're done, this is what your steak looks like. It looks good, don't it? That is well seasoned steak, my friend, okay? We're going to start making our egg roll. You need some water in 1 egg just to make a little egg wash so your egg roll can stick. Basically, what you're going to be doing, add your egg roll wrapper, add your steak, add cheese, use the little brush in the egg wash to add a little stickiness on the edges, and we're going to roll it. This is how I do it. I roll both corners first. You just have to see. I can't explain this part. Then you're going to tuck it in and make sure it's nicely firm so it's not too loose. Make sure it's a little bit tight. Then you're going to roll it. And if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, hey girl, hey boy, be sure to subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. I do upload amazing recipes like this one. And also guys, my uploading schedule is now 5 o'clock on the dot. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out when I drop a video. You have to be really careful so you don't mess it up, because if you don't seal it right, oil will get in between inside it and make it just taste not so good. All right, once I'm done, this is all my egg rolls. They look nice and tight. So now it's time to fry the egg rolls. I am going to add my vegetable oils. Once the oil is nice and hot, and make sure it's nice and hot, we're going to add our egg rolls in there. Once one side is nice and golden brown, you're going to have to flip it over. Now it's a little difficult to flip them over because they keep turning back. I'm like, move, turn over, turn over. They didn't want to turn over. So you have to press your spoon on there and just leave it on there until they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Once they're done, this is what you have. Ooh, they look so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They look so good and nice and crispy. Can't forget about the crispiness. Once they're done, set it aside on a napkin and we're going to add the rest in. Ooh, that oil's hot, honey. Make sure you don't burn your fingers because you need them. And once these are nice and golden brown, like I told you guys, you already know, just keep on turning them until they golden brown like this. Whoa, that looks so good. Now, you cannot eat this without this sauce, okay? Let me put y'all on some games. We're using apricot preserve and some water with some ginger powder. We're going to add the apricot preserve in this little saucepan here. You can use real ginger. I didn't have any, so I'm using the powder. Don't judge me. So give that a little stir. We're going to cook it for about 5 minutes until it's nice and thick and the water reduced, just like that. And this is the sauce. Ooh wee, child. Let me tell you, you cannot make these egg rolls without the sauce. It's a must, okay? It goes so well together. Or you can use whatever sauce you want, honey. I ain't your mama. And this is the egg rolls, you guys. So cheesy and so good. Ooh, my gosh. I am a big fan of Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Adding cheesesteak, Philly cheesesteak, and egg rolls. So good. Try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.